Welcome to the Longwood Public Library's website. From here, you have access to numerous databases and learning resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Rosetta Stone to learn a language. From our website, longwoodlibrary.org, go to Classes and Events, Online Learning, and click on Languages. Click on Rosetta Stone, and on this page, you log in with your library barcode number or username and your password. If you forgot your password, click over here and you can reset your password as long as your email address is attached to your library card. After logging in, click Rosetta Stone Library Solution. From here, enter your email address, create a password, and choose a language from the drop-down selection. After logging in and selecting your language, click Launch Rosetta Stone Foundations. You can then select your course, click Apply Changes, and then click Start. You will first have to set up your microphone to make sure that the correct microphone is selected. Click Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click Continue, and you're ready to start your first lesson. Shalom. You can continue your lessons at your own pace, and when you are done for that session, simply close out of the program. To pick up where you left off, simply go back to our website, do the same process again, logging in with your library card and password, and log back in with the same email address and password for Rosetta Stone. Also make sure to select the same language. If you run into any difficulties with accessing Rosetta Stone, please do not hesitate to reach out to a librarian. Happy learning!